Good morning, Sabir.
Good morning.
Good morning, all of my friend. I'm Kusnan, and
I'm
this is
Sabir.
this is Sabir. Sabir brother. How are you, Sabir brother?
I'm feeling good.
Okay. And where are you going?
I'm going to Parsuna Institute.
Okay. I want to ask you one question.
Yes,
Which is better, business or job?
business
Yes. Why business is better?
because uh, there, uh, there are lots of earn money in business.
If you will do job, you can also earn lots of money.
No,
What is different between a job or uh, business?
but business
Yeah.
in business uh, freedom.
Freedom.
Yes,
Which type of freedom you are talking, brother? If you will do business, you can't get freedom.
no.
Do you know, if you will do job, you can
If
you
uh, if you go to anywhere that time you job
yes.
that time you get some job मतलब छुट्टी नहीं मिले कम
Why?
छुट्टी नहीं मिले
Why holiday will not get?
no because
If you want
one
to
day
go anywhere, you can take a holiday very easily. Yes, if you have genuine reason, so you can take holiday. And do you know a status about a status? If you will do job, so your status will increase day by day. But if you do business, your status will decrease day by day. Do you know? And
no
every person wants to get a status in their life.
no
A status means, do you know a status? First you tell me what is the meaning of a status. And every person wants to get a status in their life.
like Mukesh Ambani
Yeah.
sa, sa,
Only Mukesh Ambani.
no
Only Mukesh Ambani.
Shahrukh Khan बहुत और lots of celebrity
Celebrity,
businessman
celebrity not doing business.
वो लोग का काम है ना
what work they have? Only you have option as Ambani and Shahrukh Khan. Shahrukh Khan is not businessman. Shahrukh Khan is an actor. You know, you go this way. What about,
Mukesh Ambani
and
Tata Ambani
you talk about your life, your environment, your society. If you will do job, your society will give you respect. This person is doing job, and this person uh, got education. After that this boy doing job. And if you do business, no one give value you. Do you know? And only you leave, only your society and every person don't uh, give you respect. Do you know? And if you will do job, you can go anywhere. You can get opportunity to work here and there, and you can enjoy there. And
but you are going to anywhere जाना
yes,
you go to anywhere तो that time आपको limit you have a limit
this
to
is the
money
main thing. If you have limit
no
time, you can enjoy a lot. And if you have a lot of time, you can't enjoy a lot, because I have so many time. So how you want to enjoy every time? But if you have limit time, only one day, you can enjoy a lot, and you can get experience. What you want to say?
but you go you job
Yes.
anywhere.
Yes.
Like your city in Ranchi,
Yes.
but you job in Mumbai.
Yeah.
That time, uh, your uh, your uh, your family को कुछ हो गया.
What will happen with my family? Government provide. Do you know government provide accommodation with your whole family? But if you will do business, you should manage all the things. You have to manage all the things. And if you want to do business, so how you can do business? First you tell me. If you are poor person, so how you can do business if you have not money? But if you will have not money, so you can get a job very easily for giving interview, for giving exam. Yeah. Are you agree? Are you
Yes,
agree with
that
me?
this point agree.
This point agree. What this point agree? Do you believe job is better?
No,
So can you give me genuine point? Then I will believe. I will believe you. I will agree with you. Your point is genuine because
uh,
you are not giving me
you
genuine point.
you do job,
Yes.
but you luxurious like not li- uh,
If I will do job, I can live
no
luxurious life. Do you know
no no, but
how?
like Thar,
Yeah.
Scorpio
Yes.
and बहुत सारे lots of.
So if
I have I
you
have
want to
money.
say
Uh,
if I will have Thar, and if I will have car, then I will live luxurious life.
yes,
No, brother.
yes.
Why?
I build a house. Very.
So
This is
if I will do job, so I can't build a house, and I can't buy
this is
I can't buy Thar. What you want to say? I can
this is
if I will do
businessman.
job. Do you know? If I will do job, I can buy personal jet, not a Thar.
No,
No, why no?
no.
Oh my God.
You have you don't have money.
Yes,
So,
I don't have money.
कितना हाँ
If I will
how
do job,
much how much do you earn?
do you know
How much will you earn?
how much?
Huh?
If I will do job, my salary will limit. And if you will do business, so what means uh, what I want to say? Your in your business maybe go loss, and you can become poor person.
No,
How?
how to ask कैसे कर सकते हैं?
Yes, in business every time happening this type of situation. That's why. But if you will do job, so your salary will fix. After completing your month, your salary you will sure you can get salary like 20,000, 50,000, whatever your salary have. But if you will do job, your salary will not fixed. Do you
So
know
uh, I will I will learn
what you will learn?
1 crore, 1 crore, 5 lakhs, 10 crore.
Learn
Yes, earn.
how you can earn, brother. if you
I
have
I
if
do
you'll have
job.
knowledge, then you can earn. And if you have not knowledge, so how you can earn?
I have lots of knowledge.
What about?
Uh, which I do job.
So do you know can you give me example, any how you can do business, how you can start business? Do you have knowledge?
Yes.
Yes, so can you give me? Can you give me any example?
First, you saw
Yes.
Mukesh Ambani.
I will not. I will not see Mukesh Ambani. You will give me example first. You have only one person for example. But how you can start business if you have knowledge? So you can give me knowledge. Okay.
First, uh, the poor person,
Yes.
I'm suggest.
You suggest
Yes, I'm
what?
suggesting. But
Tell me first. Who whose person have not whose person have
to
not money, and a person that person want to do a business. How can they do business? How can they start business? Because they don't have money.
first, the poor person, first bring two goats, the bakri. Goats.
Two goats.
Yes.
But for buying for purchasing goats, we need money. I think 2,000, 3,000. And where will money come? Where will money come? Tell me first.
So, this how much they from Sydney.
Okay.